You can achieve an effective workout using something simple as a staircase, which is convenient and versatile for various exercises. This article outlines several stair-based cardio and strength training moves. For intense cardio, try stair sprints by running up and walking or jogging down for multiple sets. Hopping up steps offers a challenging plyometric option, but it requires good balance and physical condition. Incorporate stair lunges for leg strength and side lunges for targeting inner and outer thighs. For calf toning, perform calf raises on the edge of a step. Enhance your upper body strength with incline and decline push-ups on the stairs. To keep your routine engaging, mix different stair exercises into an interval training session, starting with a warm-up and finishing with a cool-down. Remember to be cautious and listen to your body to avoid injury.